He's a new breed of action hero. In a motion picture that dares to be different. He's hot. He's fast. He's fresh. Daring deep. Locked against overwhelming odds.
Danny! Ubos na ang 5 minuto!
In this gruesome game of death. Sa bingit ng kamatayan. A story filmed with guts. A tale of courage.
What?
Ang anak ko.
Anak na... Ako bang hinahanap niyo?
Taking his life for the woman who gave him hope and warm love. Together, they edge through a ruthless gauntlet. Manned by merciless mortals. Sunshine Cruz, Mark Hill, Ricardo Cepeda, Janine Paredo, Ernie Garcia, Jude Estrada, Raymond Bagatsi, Jaime Garchiturena. Just when you think you have seen everything in action movies,
Magka-crash landing tayo.
along comes this jagged-edged thriller. Sa bingit ng kamatayan, directed by Romy V. Zuzara for Omni Films International.